how to change your whole life by using alchemy. Yes, it's not just a metaphor or a myth. True alchemy is the ability to transmute lower energy states like struggle, fear, and lack into higher states like abundance, clarity, and success. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to harness the ancient power of spiritual alchemy so you can shift your reality, no matter where you're starting. If you've been stuck, repeating cycles, or feeling blocked, this is how you break free. If this video resonates with you, check out the resources in the description below. Now, let's begin. Let's start at the source. What is alchemy, and what does it mean to transmute energy? In the ancient world, alchemy wasn't just about turning lead into gold. It was a spiritual process. True alchemy is the art of transforming the energy of your life. It means taking pain, fear, scarcity, and consciously choosing to elevate that into wisdom, peace, and prosperity. Energetic transmutation works through intention, awareness, and embodiment. It's how people go from repeating trauma loops to living in purpose and flow. And when applied correctly, it can change your health, your finances, relationships, and your sense of purpose completely. Don't worry, you don't need to be perfect to begin. You just need to be willing to alchemize. And if you're ready to begin transmuting right now, download my free meditation tracker, a powerful daily tool to help deepen your spiritual connection and support your alchemical practice. The link is in the description. Here's the first place real-world alchemy happens: your emotions. When you feel stuck in grief, jealousy, anger, or fear, those aren't roadblocks. They're raw energy waiting to be transmuted. Instead of suppressing them, acknowledge their presence, sit with them, breathe into them. Then ask, what is this emotion here to show me? When you shift the story around an emotion, the energy shifts. Grief becomes gratitude, anger becomes boundaries, fear becomes fuel. And that's the moment you start magnetizing different outcomes. The result? Clarity, better decisions, peaceful confidence, and yes, better manifestations. This isn't fluff, it's frequency. You're more powerful than you know. This step alone can change your destiny. Now, let's talk about daily alchemy in action, the ritual. Alchemy isn't just an idea, it's a daily practice. Simple rituals raise your frequency and train your subconscious. Meditation, affirmations, journaling, energy work, sacred baths, Reiki, even intentional music. These are not luxuries. They are tools for transformation. The more often you engage in ritual, the more you stabilize in higher frequencies like joy, abundance, love, confidence. And those frequencies attract experiences that match that energy. You don't need to spend hours, just be consistent and intentional. Your aura will strengthen. Your life will mirror it. Trust me. Struggling to manifest or feel aligned? You might be carrying energetic debris. We all absorb energy from people, places, and past experiences. Energetic cords and stagnant blocks keep you tethered to old timelines. Use spiritual alchemy techniques like energy clearing visualizations, Reiki, especially symbols like Seihei-ki and Honsha-ze shonen, salt or Florida water baths, cord cutting meditations, working with crystals like black obsidian or labradorite. And again, to help you stay consistent with your spiritual hygiene, grab the free tracker. It's my gift to you, and it's designed to build powerful, energetic discipline. The link is waiting for you in the description below. When you clear the energetic clutter, you create room for miracles. Finally, true alchemy becomes embodied when you begin to consciously choose a higher reality. Every time you respond with love instead of fear, every time you act from faith instead of doubt, you are altering your vibration permanently. This is how alchemists manifest abundance, aligned relationships, and success. It's not by force, it's by frequency. You can use tools like visualization, quantum jumping, affirmations like everything is always working out for me, journaling your future self's thoughts and choices. You are not waiting for your life to change. You are the force that changes it. You don't need to be chosen. You don't need to be lucky. You simply need to choose to work with energy instead of against it. Use the tools of spiritual alchemy, and you'll start to notice the world responds to the energy you hold, not the energy you fight. You were born with power to transmute. Now is the time to remember it. And if you're serious about energy mastery, subscribe to Mystic Harmony Studio. The transformation has only just begun. See you in the next video.